Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your Windows 10 has recent updates and you're signed into your Microsoft account so sync works. Once done, open Microsoft Edge from the Start menu or taskbar. If you plan to use it regularly, pin it for quick access. You'll see the initial welcome and profile prompt. Choose to import favorites and passwords now or skip. Importing saves time. Make sure to accept basic permissions like default browser choice and search engine so Edge behaves predictably from the outset. Now you configure Edge for daily use. Go to Settings, then Profiles and turn on Sync. Choose favorites, passwords, history, and extensions to sync across devices. Next, under Privacy, Search and Services, adjust tracking prevention and clear browsing data schedule so performance stays fast. Then set your preferred search engine and startup behavior, new tab, specific pages, or continue where you left off. Finally, review site permissions like camera and location, so pages only access what you allow. Finish by adopting features that boost productivity. Add extensions, use collections to gather research, and enable Immersive Reader for cleaner pages. Make Edge your default browser in Windows settings if you prefer one consistent experience. For security, enable automatic updates and run Smart Screen to block unsafe sites. If something breaks, slow startup, missing tabs, first clear cache and disable extensions, then reset browser settings. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Edge from apps. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.